Read along classic nature poetry, Poem 4, April. Hello, I'm Claire Harris from Unforgettable Notes. I'll read the poem twice, the second time more slowly. You might like to read along with me or just listen and enjoy. There's no right or wrong way to do it. It's up to you. First, a look at the picture. We can share our thoughts. And this poem is April by Christina Rossetti. I'm looking at the picture and thinking about April and that feeling when the birds know that it's spring. How about you? Now I'll read. This is the first reading. April. Pretty little 3 sparrows in a tree, light upon the wing. Though you cannot sing, you can chirp of spring. Chirp of spring to me, sparrows from your tree. Now, if you'd like to join me, you can read along with me. April. Pretty little 3 sparrows in a tree, light upon the wing. Though you cannot sing, you can chirp of spring. Chirp of spring to me, sparrows from your tree. Thanks for reading with me. That poem makes me think of my delight at the first signs of spring. You may have thoughts to share too. The next video has the next poem in the book. See you then.